A brief summary of the medicine Tikaf, an anti-hemorrhoids and ano-rectal disorders. Tikaf, the best of the best of the best, the only worldwide medication that treats hemorrhoids and any other ano-rectal disorders to remove and disappear the signs and symptoms of the diseases within 3 consecutive nights without harms and damages. As well, since the year 2000 treatments, not even side effects have been reported. Since having this medicine Tikaf, no surgical operations needed to be done on hemorrhoids and the other ano-rectal disorders, as Tikaf will take the responsibility for the disease's treatments within no time. Tikaf is the only chemically prepared medicine, not herbal, that treats hemorrhoids and any other ano-rectal disorders to cure and totally remove the signs and their symptoms seen or felt. Trust Tikaf. Anti-hemorrhoids and other ano-rectal disorders. Tikaf has its unique patient information leaflet written in Somali, Arabic and English, with fully informed in all aspects, and more languages will be incorporated soon. And besides that, Tikaf has its chemical formula and specially available syringes for dosage use. After a long visibility study of hemorrhoids and simultaneously cases study of treatments, Tikaf medicine had been invented and successfully prepared by the chemist in 1996 and order of treatments in January 2000. There is also another medication called Tiagaro, an anti-erectile dysfunction medicine invented and prepared by the professor in 2001, which is an effective gel coating around the penis and the vertical lips that will be washed after an hour with water and soap for safety and treatment reactions. Also, Tiagaro has its chemical formula and separate patient information leaflet written in Somali and English languages, too. For any further informations needed, please don't hesitate to contact Badun Corporation Chemical Laboratory with this email, badunccl@hotmail.com, and phone +252 63 44159969. Professor Mohammed Jama Roble, chemist. Somalia, Somaliland, in Hargeisa. Thanks.